Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create TikTok business account on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on this profile button which is on the top right corner of your screen and click on settings. Now, after that, under manage account, you scroll down a little bit until you find business account. You just have to turn this on and you have to choose a category for you. For example, I'll choose clothing and accessories. After that, click on become a business and click on done. There you go. That's how you can create a business account on your TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.